What is the difference between real estate and property, and why is knowing the difference so important?
A great question, and in truth, it's the one difference that we teach clients, and all my staff, I ensure that they explain that to clients, because it is critical that you do know the difference if you are going to get to an end result, a goal. The difference between property and real estate is that real estate is land, property is what's built on top of the land. Most people get sucked in by salespeople and they end up buying property, which can be, units and apartments and things and all that sort of stuff, rather than real estate. So the difference, real estate is land. All property depreciates and goes down in value. There's only one part that goes up of what you buy, and that's the land. Nothing else goes up. It depreciates. The government allow us to write off 100% of the cost of the building over 40 years. So in 40 years, technically it's not worth anything. It's only the land value that goes up. I'm Simon from Logic Property Wealth Australia. This is my book, The Logic of Property. If you would like a copy of this, contact us and we'll send that out to you for free. Do your own info, but please read the book. I'm sure it'll help you along the journey.